Tip of the day. Did you know that life insurance is an important part of protecting your family's future and protecting the thing that you might value the most important thing to you? Yes. Think about it this way. How are you going to be able to keep up with things if you passed away? Is your family going to be able to keep the valuable thing that you have? Could be something that's passed on for generation to generation to you from your fathers and families, grandparents. Something important. Or even it could be just a simple thing. You want to protect your kids to have a future, and how are you going to be able to do that? If you passed away, is there enough income? Are they able to access your assets that you're working hard for? Is your spouse able to do that? Do you want your spouse to have the kids grow up the way you want it to help you in that way? Or does your spouse have to go to work? Because all your assets can be frozen and unable to be touched. And maybe in a year to 2 years if you don't get a plan in place. Think about it. What are you willing to do? The life insurance plan does that. It gives a lump sum money that your family can actually grow up, your kids have a life, go to school, and your spouse doesn't have to go to work, but she can actually, or they can actually raise your kids the way you want it. Think of that. And the main thing, that asset that you probably got handed to you, the most important thing maybe from your generations, could be safe, not be have to be sold just to make ends meet. Those are the decisions you have to make. Life insurance does that and helps you in those areas.